Electro & Co. released this ETM RTR pit bike about 4 or 5 months ago, and I have to say, I'm disappointed. Not for the reason that you're thinking. This bike frickin' rocks. I absolutely love it. If you want to get one or any parts, use code ConnorG at electroandcompany.com. But I'm disappointed that nobody's done a proper urban rip video on this. So that's the purpose of today's video. We're going to take this thing downtown Philly, just absolutely mob around, wheelie the hell out of it. We recently put on these Formula E moto brakes, so this should be fun. Center City Bippin'. Let's go. Got the Bike Life kids outside, the pedal bikes. Let's go. Loving these new brakes. But it is beautiful, guys. It's 82. It hasn't been this warm in like 6 months, which is crazy. So we're out. We're enjoying it. This right here has got to be one of my favorite views in this city. Just look at this. You see all of the buildings around you. Beautiful city hall. Pull it up! Pull it up! You gotta learn! Hey, I respect that. If you can't wheelie, you know you can't wheelie. Not gonna do it in traffic. It's called an ETM RTR, all electric. It's like an electric 110, but better. RTR? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I love the DRZ though. In the birds gear. Good vibes when it's warm out, people. See guys, this is what I want to see. City cutting. She's quick. She's quick. Alright, we're riding with a dizzer, I guess. Yeah, I do. Cool dude. The quick, cheeky little circle brake. Woo! Look at these little wiener dogs. Drop a hand. Woo! Look at these guys. I know I won't hit it, but like splitting with these handguards sometimes, I feel like I'm just gonna smack the side of a car. Insta 360s. These brakes just are next level. Like I said in my brake video on this bike, the stock brakes are good, don't get me wrong, but I think they're better in off-road scenarios because they've got a ton of bite to stop, but they just don't quite have the modulation of like a stunt brake that I prefer, at least. So that's why we got these formulas on. These are from eMotoWorks. I'll link them down in the description if you want to cop them, but let's go up on this trail here. This is what's like especially fun with the minis, is it's so easy to go these places. Not that you couldn't do it on a Surron, but much less assuming. Popping out here today. So one thing about like cities in the Northeast, when it actually is warm, everybody's always outside. See guys, who said you can't take supermotos off-road? Easy. Ooh. Yeah, you still hear my toolbox in the little 3D printed cubby just flopping about. Don't mind it. Scoop man likes it. Yeah, there's just something about this bike, guys. Like the Razors were cool, the Surrons were cool, the Talarias are cool, but just the way that this bike looks is so sick. It looks like a mini. I know we're not supposed to say that, but I'm not calling it a mini. I'm saying it looks like the baby brother to it. That's because that's truly what it is. So it looks so good. Like I by far get the most comments on this thing. Second most was on the Razor, third most was on the XXX, but this just looks like an actual proper aggressive pit bike. It just gets so much attention and people love it. Plus these freshy red plastics look so good. God, I can't get over how damn beautiful it is out here. We get a stand up. Oh. Freaking hate stand-ups. I always forget this thing is quick too. Hypermoto. Into a circle. It's clean. 950? I think I met you. I think I met you before. Yeah. What's good, bro? Dude, I like the wrap. That's sick. Yeah, I just got another gas bike, but I met that guy at a 610 ride out a bit ago. Dude, this thing is just so fun. I guess let's go to market. There is no trick more fun than a throttle one hand. Probably no hands is more fun, but I don't have a foot brake on this yet. Is that not steezy? Come on. Stand up. Ooh, I see a nice little circle spot in here. We got a guy vlogging out here. This is like my little stunt pad area. Can we death spin it? Are you vlogging, man?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. You got a YouTube channel? Huh?
Brazilian vlog.
Oh, Brazilian. Tudo bem?
Tudo bem.
Tudo? Same. What's up?
Are you a vlogger?
I'm a vlogger. I'm a moto vlogger. Yeah, I got a channel. What's your channel named? I'll look it up. Why don't you type it in for me? I'll check it out. I respect it, dude. I respect the getting out here. Plus, it's like, you gotta have the confidence to do it in front of everybody, too. You know what I mean? Nah, dude, you're killing it. Hell yeah.
I'm traveling the world. I have 60 countries.
Oh, 60? That's sick.
Yeah.
That's awesome, dude.
Wow. You have a lot of...
We got a couple. I always like to see people out here doing it, so. Yeah, have a good one. Oh my god, it's a Honda Acti. Is that an Acti?
Yeah.
Dude, I love these. They're so sweet, man. What is it, a little 5-speed?
Yeah.
5-speed, hell yeah. Dude, it looks clean too. Did you import it yourself or you just got it somewhere?
I found it in auction in Japan and I had help importing it.
Oh, hell yeah. Dude, the thing is sweet, man. Yeah, for sure. Well, have a good time. I love these Actis, bro. They're cool as hell. Acti would be a perfect mini hauler. They're not that quick though. They can only go like 60. Dude, these karaoke buses are ridiculous. We're in Old City now, right by the Delaware River. Old City's a fun little spot. Nice, lots of history. Dude, there's nothing more fun. Oh, in the wild? Yo, bro, what is that thing? You not hear me? You don't know me? What's up? What's up? Huh? Oh, okay. Dude said leave me alone. I was just saying what's up. Leave me alone. That's the classic Philly treatment. Whee! We're finally getting swerves on this thing. Yeah, the reason I've been so rusty on this is just because I haven't been able to ride consistently whatsoever because it's been so cold. But now that it's warm, we're gonna be outside. Try to be outside every day on this thing to get good. We gotta get hand drags on this thing. Pop into Washington Square Park. Again, guys, I want to remind you, if you're thinking like, what is the purpose of this video? Like, he's just blabbering and doing random shite. Bro, I'm showing you what it's like to go on a random urban ride on your kitted RTR and wheelie the shit out of it and have a good ass time. Saying last video, bro, a SEPTA bus will not hesitate to hit your ass. You ever ride in the city? You gotta be hella careful around SEPTA buses. Look, they've run the red. They don't give a fuck. They will run your ass over in a heartbeat. Anyways. This is where the handguards feel a little big. I mean, they are a little bit bigger. It's like out here versus here, but guys, I am probably gonna keep this one pretty raw. No diddy, but just get you the full ASMR of a bike that basically makes no noise. Scoot gang outside. Oh my gosh, this street is so nice. We gotta come back down it for the one hands. Getting the combos now. It's gotta be the nicest, like, you know, 100 yards of road in Philly. Ooh, a little bit harder to get a leg through with this crossbar. Whoa, look at that, a big catwalk. Never noticed that before. That's pretty cool. How are these guys? I passed them earlier. Hello, officer. Thanks, bud. It's like I'm gonna get pissed because I passed him. Don't turn. Thank you. Oh shit. Alright, I gotta go home. Alright guys, well as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. This bike is just so killer. I know some of you are sad about the Triple X being gone. Sorry. She gone. She gone. Anyways, as I was saying, thank you so much for watching this video. This bike is awesome. If you want to get it, code ConnorG at Electro & Co. On our road to 100K. No, 100K. So if you could sub, it would mean the world to me. We're like 93 almost or something like that. So 7K more, you just need a sub. But anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.